Back. Today I wanted to present the new Ulanzi AM18 microphone. I ended up buying this product because I wanted a wireless microphone system. However, similar offerings from DJI cost approximately 500 Canadian dollars, which I found to be too expensive for my needs. This microphone from Ulanzi has very similar features to the DJI one. However, it only costs approximately $110 including shipping and taxes. So at 1/5 of the price, I wanted to know how good is this product and is it a keeper. Now let's start by watching a quick unboxing video, and then I'm going to give you some preliminary thoughts on whether or not you should also considering buying this mic for your vlogging and other recording needs. Before I give you a quick overview of my feelings about the product up to this point, I just wanted to say again that I'm not a professional vlogger. I'm also not an audio engineer, so everything that I'm going to talk about is based on my experiences with this microphone. Okay, so how is the microphone based on the few days I've had to use it? I would say that overall, especially considering the price and considering how much competing offerings cost, I would say that this microphone has proven to be excellent. In terms of recording quality, you can hear that for yourself. I'm wearing the microphone at the moment. I also tested the microphone at approximately 80 meters distance. Ulanzi says that the microphone is good for up to 100 meters. which is less than DJI's reported 250 meters. However, for my purposes, 100 meters is more than sufficient, and as you will see in the following clip, even at 80 meters, there was no real impact on the quality of the recording. And in fact, I did forget to add the windscreen to this recording, which would have probably been a good idea to make the recording even more clear. Okay, so there's quite a bit of a distance. I think it's getting close to 100 meters, which is what the manufacturer says is the maximum. So at this distance, we can see if the quality and the ability to record is there. Thus far, the product has been very easy to use, and I think that for the money, the performance is excellent. As you will see in the next clip, the majority of the user interface is touch-based, and this is actually a very good thing that it's so intuitive, because the manual which comes with the package is actually not super informative. One additional feature of these microphones is that they do have 8 GB of space for internal recording. You may notice the small red light on the microphone. This means that the microphone is making a backup copy on itself of this voice recording, in addition to sending the transmission to the receiver, which is connected to my iPhone. So this is an excellent backup solution in case that something happens to the signal during transmission. This is a recording using the iPhone 15 Pro Max microphones, AM18 This is a recording using the Ulanzi microphone, AM18 In terms of battery life, I've been able to get approximately 14 hours, which is what Ulanzi says I should get, which I found to be a very reasonable amount of time for the vast majority of recording. One of the negatives for some people will be the fact that the Ulanzi microphones have small LED lights on the front that cannot be turned off. Fortunately, the microphones also do have a 3.5mm microphone input. What this means is that you can take the Ulanzi microphone, you can attach it to your belt, and then you can run another lavalier lapel microphone. You can attach it to your collar, and those are usually much less noticeable. So, is Ulanzi AM18 worth your time and money? I would say that it is. The combination of performance, recording quality, and affordability means that this is an excellent choice for the vast majority of users, especially when you consider that many other comparable options, for example those from DJI, cost approximately 5 times as much. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.